Welcome to the CIF Plasma Cleaner. This video will demonstrate the complete operating procedure of the equipment. Before operation, please be sure to wear protective gloves to ensure safety. First, connect the power supply. The device's 7-inch color touch screen will display 5 functional modules: manual, automatic, settings, explanation, and company information. Let's start with the manual mode. The left side of the interface is the control area, including functions for the vacuum pump, gas 1, gas 2, power and vacuum relief. The right side is the live data area, synchronously showing vacuum degree, operating time and power. During operation, the gas flow can be precisely regulated via the gas flow meter. After starting the program, purple plasma will be generated inside the vacuum chamber, indicating the equipment is running normally. Next, return to the home page and switch to automatic mode. The interface layout is basically the same as the manual mode. You can customize and edit the names of process steps and enter specific parameters for each step, such as vacuum level, time, power, etc. Multiple process steps are supported, and the equipment will execute them in the present order. After pressing the run button, the status bar on the right will display vacuuming. Once the device completes vacuuming, gas will be injected according to the preset time. At this point, purple plasma will appear inside the vacuum chamber. After the operation is completed, you need to relieve the pressure in the vacuum chamber first, then open the chamber door, and finally turn off the power supply to finish the entire operating process. If you are interested in our products, here is our contact information. Feel free to get in touch with us at any time.